Can I go?
Yeah.
Welcome to the first vlog in our new house. How do you feel, the first vlog?
I feel weird.
I feel weird, yeah, like it doesn't feel right. Like it feels wrong.
What feels wrong?
Like filming in here, like a vlog. Because like I've never done it before. No, because I've never done it.
Most YouTubers post videos once a week, but if we go a week without filming,
We're
it's
like
the weirdest thing in the world. We're like, what do we do again?
Anyway, welcome to today's video. We have a lot of unpacking to do. We need to show you the dents that we've made in the unpacking.
Don't expect this to look good, okay?
It's not good. It's very messy, very unorganized.
We have a lot of stuff apparently.
Should we show them what we've done so far?
Yeah.
So this is the front room. Okay. This is what we've done to the front room. We have a bunch of Amazon boxes because we had to
give you
okay.
tour.
All right, give us the tour.
These we found on the Facebook market.
They need to be cleaned.
Vintage Ethan Allen. She said they've been in her family for generations.
And she sold them? Oh, I'd be pissed.
A lot of the stuff you saw in our old house. This is probably the only new thing. Oh, and then the bookshelf.
Oh yeah, this is new.
This we also found on the Facebook market. That's where we get all of our coolest stuff.
Yeah.
This I'm super excited about. I think it's so cool. Oh man. Heck yeah. That's all I have to say.
Okay. This is gonna be like gone. It needs to go in the basement or something. It just has like random stuff on it for right now. But basically from here onward looks okay, minus the trash.
This is our new thermostat, set to 69 of course. And this just showed up in the mail yesterday.
Julia
addressed to me.
You must have ordered it in the middle of the night.
I did not order it. It was from Amazon. I checked my Amazon account. Someone, I think, went on Amazon, I don't know who, and said,
how would they know our address?
Someone who knows our address, maybe a family member. I don't know why they would tell us. Because now I just have this, I'm assuming it's for Harbor. It's like a bath toy.
I think that she was a little bit tired in the night after unpacking and ordering it or something.
I told you they didn't have it. It would be in my order.
They just, All right, let's show them what else we've done.
I'm supposed to be filming now?
Come with me.
Hey guys. Ooh. Wow. Oh, work.
Our bedroom's not even close to being done. So this is what it looks like. We need to replace the light fixture.
Look at how ugly this is. Actually, well, for someone else's house, maybe it would be fine. It's a fine fan.
It just doesn't match the
It's so like industrial modern, and then you have like, you know, these are new. You want to tell them about those?
I spent a lot of money on these because I wanted it to be a statement piece, and then the brick behind the house was not allowing the sconces to go in, and then the power wasn't working because they didn't give us instructions, and I ordered it from China, so the instructions were not in English, and so we're here, and I had to buy little like puck lights.
I'm not about to rewire this whole situation for these lights.
We don't want to like electrocute ourselves either, so we put it up, and I ordered like battery operated bulbs and like puck lights. I don't know if that's what it's called. We'll see if they work, so stay tuned if you want to see us either be smart or be dumb.
You want to show them the bathroom?
It's not done. It looks messy.
Okay, you don't get to see the bathroom. Apparently, the bathroom looks messy, so you can't see it, but we can show you the living room. This is a disaster.
What do you mean? I think it looks great.
So this is where, when the movers came, they just put everything in this one room.
jam-packed, completely to the brim.
We looked like, I don't know if you guys are invested in the show Hoarders.
We love the show Hoarders.
We would have been straight out of that show. Yeah, it was bad. So we've been working on unpacking this room. As you can see, we still have some work left. Yeah, it's really not that bad.
It's kind of chilly in this room.
Yeah,
I think the air doesn't like fully come this way because this is like an extension of the house, like new, which is kind of cool though, because then really this would have been
this is the original outside
of
yeah,
the house, which is cool because then the like brick goes down. We're gonna try and strip this white paint off. It should be a crime to whitewash brick, but that's just my opinion.
I think we said this before, but we have a couch that's coming.
Oh, I need to
call them and see what the tea is on that, because it's been a while since we ordered it. I don't know where it is.
Should we tell them about how we made a big financial dumb decision because of our anxieties?
Oh. Let's go to the kitchen.
A lot of money. To the kitchen.
We tried to use the stove.
It's
a gas stove. Here's the thing. Abbie's very concerned about it.
Okay, but think about this. Film me, okay? Say action.
Action.
I'm Harbor, and I'm a little boy, and I want to flip this. I can just go, and then the gas goes running, and I'm over here packing the car. I'm like, come on, Harbor, get in the car. And I don't know that he flipped it, and then there's gas filling the house for hours while we're shopping at Target. We come back, house explodes.
I mean, that could happen. That's within the realm of possibility. Yeah. It would be I don't know. I guess we're gonna try and sell it. We already bought a new.
We figured it wasn't worth the anxiety because we tried to cook and it was smelling like gas. Anyway, we bought the same stove but an electric, so that's not worth the anxiety. It's not dangerous.
It's actually a pretty nice stove. It has an air fry option.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty excited about it.
So if you're wondering what we've been eating because we can't cook on the stove, it is basically all cereal. I have always been a cereal lover. This is Magic Spoon. It's basically a cereal for adults, which is amazing because I've always loved cereal so much. The variety pack has the peanut butter flavor, the frosted flavor, the fruity, which is my favorite, and the cocoa. There is 13 grams of protein in here, 4 net carbs, 0 sugar, grain-free, and gluten-free. I recently found out that I am intolerant to wheat, so this has been perfect for me because this is wheat-free. And it's also keto-friendly if you are on the keto diet. This is also only 140 calories per serving. I'm gonna have cocoa today. I haven't opened this box yet.
I've had the cocoa.
Do you like the cocoa? Julia says she likes the cocoa. Smells good. Also, our new oven does not get delivered for like another 6 days, so this is what I'm gonna be eating for 6 days straight, apparently. Don't eat my cereal. 10 out of 10. Great thing about Magic Spoon is if you do not like it, they have what they call the happiness guarantee, so if you don't like it, they'll refund your money, which is awesome. If you guys want to try it, definitely try the fruity one. That one's my favorite. If you want to click the link in the description, you can use code AbbieJulia to get $5 off. Now go get yourself some Magic Spoon because it's so good. One of the things that I spent a lot of time doing though was Harbor's room. I made sure that his room was like pretty much almost done. I need to hang a few things up. But other than that, it's pretty much done, so I'll show you that when he wakes up from a nap. He's been sleeping way better in this house, surprisingly, which is weird. Makes no sense.
Move to this house.
The second night we slept here, he didn't wake up once. And when we've said he sleeps through the night, that means he wakes up like once or twice for like a binky or needs to be like rocked and put down. That means he sleeps through the night, but he fully slept through the night. Didn't cry, didn't wake up for a binky, literally nothing. So, well, this new house is giving us good sleep. Are you making fun of me? Babe? I need to try calling the couch people. Everybody cross your fingers for me that they say, oh, it's gonna be delivered right now. I'd say actually we can't have it delivered right now because the living room is...
You can put it in the living room. There's space for it.
I guess that's true. There's an open
space. Boxes around it.
Okay, big bucks, no whammies.
This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance purposes.
Hang up.
Stay on the line and a representative will be with you soon.
The person at extension 014 is on the phone.
Well, I guess I can't call them right now.
Here's the tea. Abbie is prioritizing making the spaces that we're done packing decorated all nice over unpacking the other spaces.
That's not true.
Well, then what are we about to do right now?
Okay, let me show you. You guys tell me what you would do in this situation because I know that all of you are gonna side with me because this situation needs to be attended to. Let's go. Come on, BFs. Yeah, best friends. So here is our closet situation. The closet is like a normal closet. We're gonna paint this white, by the way, this like trim that they have.
Ugly.
It's not ugly. It's just a little bit too rustic for this room.
Why are there mismatched woods?
Babe, I'm trying.
Where are you living in a farm? Okay.
We have a pig downstairs. His name's Frank. So they didn't put real closet doors on their closet. They use this like, it reminds me of sushi or a sushi roll.
This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's not that bad. I mean, it's pretty bad. Anyway, I need to buy closet doors, so I need Julia to measure. And she's really bad at measuring.
So these...
I sent you to this house all alone to measure things, and you came back and nothing was measured right.
She was like, measure the closet, and so I measured the depth of the closet.
Yeah, I told her to measure the closet so I could buy closet doors, and she measured the depth. I'm like, that's not gonna tell me anything.
Well, I didn't know why you wanted the closet measured.
Okay, anyway, get to work. Bing bam, boom bam, smap, nap.
Here's what okay, first of all, back to what we were talking about earlier. Everyone comment down below. Which do you think is more important use of our time? Getting new closet doors.
I can't look at it anymore.
Or unpacking the living room, which you just saw that has boxes.
Definitely the doors, because it's going to take 2 seconds for you to measure, 2 seconds for me to order them. Bing bam, boom bam, spoobadop, dope, dop, dope. And don't be showing off that badakadon.
Listen, so these things right here.
Are you okay?
These was the original woodwork of the house.
It's the original woodwork of the home?
This
Or are you lying?
I don't know.
Oh.
It just looks more like it. And I know
They
that
have it on the windows,
people
too.
the sellers put these things in because it's in the basement. But it's around the windows too.
Okay, can you measure, please?
Tell me the story. It's around the windows. It's there. I like this. This is nice. This is ugly. I think they were trying to match it, but they were doing a terrible job. Now I can measure.
What if they watch this?
I think that they're fans of our channel.
Anyway,
Our audience isn't typically straight people.
you don't know that
Comment
they're
down
straight.
below if you're straight.
Okay, can you measure, please?
61.5 inches.
Okay, hold on. Stay there. Let me write it down. Okay. Bye.
The depth?
No, not the depth, babe. That does not matter.
Golly.
Golly, poo poo pee. Maybe I should call my dad.
To measure?
Not to measure, to ask him.
You really don't have any faith in me, do you?
No.
Yesterday, I set up the washer and dryer.
Okay.
And she goes, we need to call a handyman. For me to plug in the dryer? I don't know why you think I'm so incompetent.
We're gonna name this video "Getting in a Fight on Camera." Do you need me to hold it?
Calm down.
Okay.
88.5 plus 3 1/4.
Wait, what?
88.5 plus 3
88. Guys, it's so hard to get Julie to do anything for me. Like, she just complained the entire time and it took her like 5 seconds to measure. So I got my measurements. Now I need to go onto Lowe's and see if they have the right dimensions.
You buy the wrong thing. You told us
This-
the wrong thing, so you have to be honest about that.
I do that. I do that. Here you go. I'll go get the honey boy. You figure it out. Hello, boyfriend. Hello, Tinker. Hello. I love your bed head. Oh, my guy. Look at that bed head. You are so stinking cute. You are so stinking cute. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna get him dressed for the day. Hold on. I bought him some cute new fall clothes and he is looking handsome. Cutest guy I've ever seen. Mom's still working on the closet. Yes, she is. Do you have anything to say? Say hi. Oh. Well, I think we figured out why they had those like paper things there, because the closet like size is kind of like a weird size. So I think we'll have to get them like custom made. I'm not sure how to do that. I'll figure it out. So maybe Julia was right on this one. Did you hear that?
I heard it.
Forgot that I said I was going to show you Harbor's room. I put these wall decals up and apparently the wall does not want them to stick, so I need to figure that situation out. But I hung the little like shelf with his books and his toys there. I need to hang up that picture. But yeah, it's almost done. Now we're going to put away the baking stuff in the kitchen.
The last box that's not decor.
Yeah.
Thing.
The rest of it's just stuff that needs to go on the walls, I think, right?
Yeah.
Like games. There's some candles.
Yeah, little
books.
things that we used as decor in the last house. Shelves and stuff. I don't know where we're putting in this house.
I don't know. Time lapse it up.
Mormon pantry. What cookbook? I think your grandma gave us this.
Oh.
Food coloring. Bad for you.
Why is food coloring bad for you?
Red food coloring, yellow food coloring is supposed to be bad for you, right?
I don't know.
I don't know anything. I just say things that I see on like the internet, like TikTok, and I just like assume that they're true. Okay. This I saw in an ad. If you don't know this about me, I'm a sucker for a good ad. I buy things all the time from ads.
Why are you
True,
looking at
don't
me?
I?
Yes. Why are you
I'm
looking at me?
you so that you can say, yeah, that's true.
Yes, that's true.
It's called the de-choker. And you know, like when you do the Heimlich, you're trying to push out anything that's stuck in someone's throat. This pulls out. So it's a different form of trying to get something unclogged from someone's throat. And I bought it for my dear son so he doesn't die in my arms. You want your Mormon cookbook out?
I promised Julia like a real meal because I don't want to run the stove. Because we technically could use the stovetop, but I'm too anxious to do it. So I put things in a crock pot since I've only been eating cereal and making cereal for her.
These are a lot of crock pot meals. You could become a real Mormon wife. Here you go.
Thank you.
Read up.
Julia got all the baking stuff put away. The next thing that we need to do is we actually need to run to Target and get a shower curtain because Julia likes to take showers and she hasn't been able to take a shower because we don't have.
Likes to take showers.
No, like I mean like shower. No, I mean besides a bath. Let me rephrase that. Rewind. Julia doesn't like to take baths. She likes to take showers. So we need to get a shower. All right, you know what? We're canceled.
2 hours later.
I left the camera in my purse when we went to Target and I forgot to film. So we bought stuff for the shower, got a curtain rod. They didn't have any cute gold ones, so I just went with one of these like cheap white plastic ones for now because we plan to do like a renovation in the bathroom anyway, so it's fine for now. This is what we're looking like right about now. So I'm going to put everything up. Hopefully it'll look a little bit better. Definitely looks better. I mean, we definitely need to get a different shower curtain because this one just does not look good. But I think it looks much better with a little rug, a little shower curtain. Not the best, but not the worst. It'll do for now. Do you want to see the bathroom? What do you think? Looks no different? You like it? Yeah?
So it's been a little... Does my hair look weird when it's like in front of my ears? I always tuck my hair behind my ears. It's just like habit for me. But I just realized I didn't have it tucked behind my ears. I don't know, everyone comment down below about my hair.
I don't think anyone cares.
I'm gonna give 0 comments. It's gonna be 1 comment. It's gonna say, stop talking about your hair. Okay, I don't know what we were talking about last. We're on our way right now to a pumpkin patch. I hope it does not rain. Let me show you what the weather looks like right now. It does not look good. Looks like it's already raining in the direction that we're heading in, so.
Harbor looks so cute in his outfit though.
Harbor's in a really cute outfit.
We have to get fall
We really wanted to get some pumpkin patch pictures, but then like he had to take a nap, and then Abbie's mom came over, and so then we were pushing back the time to go to the pumpkin patch to dangerously close to when it said it was going to rain, and now maybe too late, we don't know, but we're on a rush. We're rushing. Anyway, hopefully we can be there for at least 15 minutes, get some good pictures. If it does rain, at least we have that. If it doesn't, then we get to have a lovely time at a pumpkin patch. So all bets are off. We're about to see.
I'm anxious.
Comment down below what you think's gonna. I always say comment down below.
How many things are you gonna tell
this
us?
video?
Hey guys, comment down below if you like my hair today. Hey guys, comment down below. Do you think this beanie looks good on me? Hey guys, comment down below. Where do you think we should go in our next vlog? Comment down below.
That's actually a good thing to comment. Where should we go in our next vlog? That's a good thing to comment. You should comment that. Also, why do we say comment down below? Like, where else would you comment? All YouTubers say that though, right? Yeah. Comment down below.
All right, guys, everyone get out of the way.
Get out the way.
We're trying to take our son to the pumpkin patch. Don't worry, I'm doing this for you, Harbor. Hold on.
All right, we made it, and currently there is no rain. So
it looks like it's gonna rain any second.
Literally looks like any second. Harbor, get your cute face on.
Get out of your car seat. The camera died, so I'm on my phone. It literally looks like it's gonna rain any second. Oh, I'm scared. Oh no. If you show them your hand, you should be fine. They just want food.
I don't have anything, sorry.
Oh, this is giving me anxiety.
What's going on with those two? Barbara, close your eyes.
They're like yelping. These animals are no joke. We're getting out of here. That's mommy. Okay, go. Hurry before my phone dies.